क्या जिसके साथ खड़े होकर खिंचवाना।
Hey guys, this is the Sudan block.
रुक 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 रुको, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो पहले। हाँ जल्दी करो, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते, वीडियो देखते हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। ये लाल कलर का बटन नहीं से दबाओ, जल्दी दबाओ जल्दी दबाओ, फिर मैं शुरू करूँ। दबा दो जल्दी, दबा दिया, घंटी में दबा देना।
This is Delta Squadron. Going inside the Delta Squadron. Going inside the Sudan block.
I came back to the National Defense Academy, our alma mater, yesterday. And as I drove through the gates of the academy, I felt a wave of nostalgia sweeping over me. I thought I would be thrilled and happy to see my SCON, the cabin I lived in, the parade ground I rolled on, the classes where I slept, drill square, ropes, equitation, periphery, glider dome, entity, and all those places surrounded by the hills of Khadakwasla, which made the boy I was into the man I am today. I am happy, no doubt. Yet, wherever I go, there is something, someone missing. It's you, my friend, our fallen hero, who left us so soon and have gone so far. I wish I could see you one more time walking through your cabin door. I wish I could see you one more time to share the cold coffee.